In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create whiteboards in Canva. If you're planning a brainstorm, mapping out ideas, or collaborating in real time, Canva's whiteboards give you a clean, flexible space to work with. They're essentially an open canvas you can expand as your thoughts grow, and they're designed to make teamwork simple. Let's walk through the exact steps so you can get one set up quickly and confidently. Start on the main Canva dashboard. This is the home screen you see when you open Canva, with your recent designs and quick actions. From here, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the Create button. This is your starting point for launching any new project in Canva, and it opens the menu where you choose what kind of design you want to make. When the Creation menu opens, you'll see a panel on the left that lists different types of design templates and formats. This is where Canva groups all of its options by category. Take a moment to scan that list and locate the whiteboard option. It's dedicated to freeform planning and collaboration. Once you see whiteboard, go ahead and click it. That tells Canva to generate a new whiteboard for you to work on. As soon as you click, Canva will create a fresh whiteboard. You'll land on a spacious, open canvas that can grow with your ideas, so you won't feel cramped as you add content later. Think of this as your digital room for thinking and planning. At this point, you're ready to use the board however you like, whether that's outlining a project, organizing tasks, or capturing notes in a meeting. You can now invite people to the whiteboard for collaboration. Look for the invite or share control at the top of the screen. Use it to add collaborators by entering their email addresses or by generating a link you can share with your team. Before you send the invite, check the permission settings so you control whether people can edit the board or just view it. Real-time collaboration means everyone can contribute at the same time, which makes planning sessions smoother and faster. That's all there is to it. From the main dashboard, click Create, choose Whiteboard from the left-hand list, and your board is ready. Then invite your collaborators so you can all work together in one place. Canva saves your progress as you go, so you can return to your whiteboard whenever you need to keep building on your ideas.